Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Samsung SmartThings for Kia charging controls. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure that you have the Samsung SmartThings app installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app. If you haven't already, sign in with your Samsung account. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Device. From the list of categories, choose Home Appliance. Look for Kia or electric vehicle. Tap on the Kia option. Follow the prompts to link the Kia account with SmartThings. You will need to enter your Kia account login credentials. After entering your information, select Authorize. You may receive a confirmation message about the data being shared. Review the permissions and tap Allow or Confirm. Once authorized, your Kia vehicle should appear in the SmartThings app. You can now access charging controls directly from the app. To check if everything is connected, tap on your Kia vehicle in the app. Explore the charging options available, such as starting or stopping charging sessions. If needed, adjust the charging schedule based on your preferences. You are now ready to manage your Kia vehicle's charging through Samsung SmartThings. Keep your app updated for the best performance and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.